Good evening, Rutgers, and happy National Superhero Day. Weather watcher Carl Reiman here, bringing you the thunder to close out your Sunday evening. As usual, we have some weather to talk about, so let's hop right into it. Starting off with your almanac for today. It was very mild for this time of the year. 47 and 58 were the actuals for today. As we take a look at our averages of 44 and 66 degrees, a little bit cooler today because of cloud cover covering the majority of the state, so keeping things a little bit cooler for today. For our records, 31 degrees set back in 1934, and our high 91 degrees set back in 1990. As usual, our sunrise and sunset times are down below. Right now, looking outside, things are comfortable, a little bit cooler though. 49 degrees in New Brunswick, 45 up in Sussex, and for the majority of South Jersey, you're looking at temperatures in the 50s right now. Now, for your headlines for tonight, going into the rest of the week, we're going to be seeing some cooler temperatures tonight, but things are going to be warming up as the week progresses. It is going to be a gloomy week ahead with clouds and chances of rain across the board for this week. And are we going to see some possible thunderstorms to start off this next coming weekend? Tune in for your 7-day forecast to find out more on that. Now, for your tonight's lows, you can see temperatures are not going to change that much, dipping a couple of degrees below. 44 in Somerville, 33 almost sub-freezing in Sussex, and for the majority of the South Jersey, you will see temperatures going into the lower 40s for tonight. Now, looking at the rest of the Northeast, same picture applies except for this chunk in northern Pennsylvania going to upstate New York. You can see temperatures in sub-freezing conditions, 28 for Ithaca and Oneota and 29 for Mount Pocono. Out in Boston, 41 degrees, and down south, 42 for Baltimore, 43 for Delaware. Now, looking at the radar right now, most part it's clear across the Garden State, but as we take a look at the national feed, you can see across the Midwest we're seeing some severe weather impacting the Midwest right now, bringing some portions of snow for some parts of northern Montana and rain throughout the rest of the area as well. And you can see some thunderstorms beginning to spot up right now as well. Now, looking at the future cast right now, you can see for the most part tomorrow's going to be partly cloudy up until tomorrow evening. You can see some rain beginning to move into the area late Monday evening, and that is going to affect us into the overnight hours as some heavy rain begins to move into the area. But that clears out for your morning commute on Tuesday, but it is going to be cloudy for the entirety of the Garden State, so keep an eye out for that as well. A look ahead for tonight's overnight forecast, 43 degrees with winds blowing out of the north-northwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour. It is going to be clear tonight. You can see that rollover for your morning commute tomorrow, 40 degrees with winds light and variable. Now, as I step aside for your 7-day forecast, you can see tomorrow is going to be probably only the best day tomorrow for the rest of the week. 61 degrees and partly cloudy conditions. Go out and enjoy that as best as you can because the rest of the week is going to be a mess overall. Tuesday and Wednesday, a chance of showers with temperatures dropping down into the 55 on Wednesday. Things warming up on Thursday, though, 70 degrees with cloudy conditions. On Friday, unfortunately, we're going to be seeing some scattered thunderstorms roll into the Garden State, bringing a temperature of 68 degrees. And for the rest of the weekend, mostly cloudy on Saturday, 69 degrees, and 70 on Sunday with cloudy conditions as well. That's all I have for you here, Rutgers. You can tune into RUTV channel 23.1 every 15 minutes. Go to our Facebook page at facebook.com/RU Weather Watcher. Leave a like on the page. Go to our Twitter as well at RUTVWW and use the hashtag RUWeather. And for even more, go to our YouTube channel, RUTV Weather Watcher. Click the notification bell and subscribe for the latest for our forecast. I'm Weather Watcher Carl Reiman. Have an awesome start to your week, Rutgers.